Are you getting the Wi-Fi connection loss error on your Google TV with random disconnections? This usually happens because of weak Wi-Fi signals, router compatibility issues, or sometimes the software glitch. Here are the two best solutions to fix it fast. Solution 1. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to the Google TV home menu. Use your remote to navigate to the gear icon. Click OK on your remote to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet, selecting your Wi-Fi from here and scroll down to the bottom of its setting. Choose Forget Network and confirm your choice. After that, go back to Network and Internet, find your Wi-Fi again, then re-enter your Wi-Fi password and connect again. See if that fixes the problem or not. Solution 2. Update Google TV software. Sometimes the issue is caused by a bug in the system software. Go back to Settings from your home menu, scroll down to Device Preferences. Open About. Now select System Update. Now select Check for Update and click OK on your remote. Now your remote will look for any possible updates. Install any updates available. Google frequently includes Wi-Fi fixes in updates. And that's it. With these two solutions, your Google TV should stop dropping its Wi-Fi connection. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.